The Prime Minister and Minister for Finance, Professor Biman Prasad, called for an end to politics of race as he responds to criticism that he has turned his back on Indo-Fijians in the country. The National Federation Party leader says certain politicians are trying to stir racial division by targeting him as he is Indo-Fijian.
These are stupid questions from media organizations that are living in the past. This is the politics of race that the Baini Marama and Ayaz Sayed Qayyum government played for many years. This is the same kind of politics that some other politicians who are hovering around outside of parliament now, they want to create this idea of race. So all they have to do is to attack Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance Biman Prasad, who is the leader of the National Federation Party, who happens to be an Indo-Fijian. So keep saying that, you know, that is the politics. That is the real nasty.
Professor Prasad called on politicians and media organizations to stop race-based politics.
When there was ethnic-based scholarship before, they were not happy with it. Then there was TELS loan scheme. When we have a merit-based scholarship, because more students from the Indo-Fijian community got it, it quickly was interpreted and lied about as a ethnic-based scholarship. What we are saying is that the scholarship scheme that we have now is merit-based. You go and ask. They have not produced. Go and ask people who applied and who got the mark whether they got the scholarship.